Welcome to this lesson on the present perfect tense. Today, we'll explore two important uses of this tense, talking about life experiences and discussing actions in unfinished time periods. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand when and how to use the present perfect in these contexts. Let's start with how to form the present perfect. The structure is simple: use have or has, followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, I have visited, she has traveled, they have eaten. Remember, use has with he, she, and it, and use have with I, you, we, and they. The first use of the present perfect is to talk about life experiences. We use it when we want to share experiences that happened at any time in our life. The important thing to remember is that the exact time doesn't matter. We're focusing on the experience itself, not when it happened. Here are some examples of the present perfect for life experiences. I have visited Paris. This means at some point in my life, I went to Paris. She has tried sushi. Again, we don't know when, but the experience happened. They have climbed a mountain. The focus is on the experience of climbing, not the specific time it occurred. When talking about life experiences, we often use specific adverbs. Ever is used in questions, like have you ever been to Japan? Never means not at any time in your life. Before means at some time in the past. And we use once or twice to show how many times something happened. These adverbs help us express our experiences more clearly. The second use of the present perfect is for actions in unfinished time periods. This means we're talking about a time period that started in the past but continues to the present moment. The time period is not finished yet. For example, today, this week, or this year are all unfinished time periods. Here are common time phrases we use with the present perfect for unfinished time. This week means the current week that hasn't ended yet. Today refers to the day we're in right now. This year is the current year. And in my life means from birth until now. All of these time periods continue to the present. Let's look at examples with unfinished time. I have read 3 books this month. The month isn't finished, so I might read more books. She has worked hard today. Today isn't over yet. We have learned a lot this year. The year continues, so we can still learn more. Notice how all these time periods are still ongoing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.